heat number 1 as the car corner pace car ducks down. We are going racing this time around. Pick your driver that you want to win. As they're going to wind them up. Here they come, they come, they come! Green flag, and we're racing!
And it's the 99S of Justin Sellers, obviously in the battle with Derek Dobbs in the number 5.
As we are all side by side going into turns 3 and 4. Nobody's giving anything as we've got a great battle for the lead coming around.
There's that 99S of Justin Sellers. Right behind him is the 99T of Trevor Robinson.
As it looks like Sellers may have a slight edge coming into 3 and 4. As he does, Sellers will bring it around this time as he is our new leader, followed by Trevor Robinson as he's challenging Derek Dobbs for second place.
Justin Sellers out of South Elgin, trying to hold off a number 99 of Trevor Robinson out of Beloit.
And that 3 throwback of Kevin Memley on the move, looking at Derek Dobbs' rear end there, as he's going to try to make a move for third place in the number 3 car.
Oh, we got trouble with the 78 car. John Featherston out of Loves Park, Illinois, having some problems in turn 3, facing the wrong direction.
Bargain Hunter Sportsman this time around. Nobody can pass Justin on the restart. As Justin picks it up for the Sportsman, they come, they come, they come! Green flag, and we're racing!
And it's a pair of 99s out front. Justin Sellers and Trevor Robinson in the red, white, and blue, white Camille.
I'd say if you pick the 99 car, your odds are looking pretty good right now, Eric.
Sure are. We got a pair of them out front. There's Dobbs in that 5 car in the 3rd spot. Kevin Memley in a battle with the 42 of Adam Cartwright for your top 5. And look who's in that 8 car. John Reynolds Jr. making his way up there.
The only car on the inside, Kevin Memley and John Reynolds Jr. side by side, battling for 5th place. But here comes Trevor Robinson looking to the inside of Justin Sellers as the laps are counting down. White flag this time around for Justin Sellers.
Which 99 will it be? Sellers or Robinson? Dobbs in 3rd, Cartwright in 4th, Reynolds in 5th.
And it's going to be the 99 car coming around. This time it's going to be Justin Sellers this time to win his first heat race of the evening here for the Bargain Hunter Sportsman division.
Justin Sellers in 1st, Trevor Robinson in the 99T 2nd, Derek Dobbs in the 5 car in 3rd, the 42 car of Adam Cartwright rounding off your top 4, and in the 5th spot, the number 8 car of John Reynolds Jr. Those are your top 5 cars in the Bargain Hunter Sportsman. The 99 car of Justin Sellers, he's out of South Elgin. Endless Performance, Ken's Auto Center, Top Hat Logistics, prime sponsors for that 1992 Chevy Rock Camaro. This is his first heat win of the year here at the Rockford Speedway, John.
Eric, it looks like he is going to not get out of the car. So, ladies and gentlemen, let's give a warm applause for Justin Sellers. First